Hi, this is Aisha from Skin Passion, and I hope everybody is doing well. Just want to show you. I talked about this when I posted the name soaps. That I was gonna make two types of unscented soaps for the Etsy shop, and hopefully get it on Amazon. So here is the rice milk soap, and this is unscented. It doesn't have any fragrance or any or the scented oils in it. This is for sensitive skin and just for people who want to use soaps without fragrances in it. And so there's this whole bunch, and also here part of this table is covered with the same rice milk, and then it comes all the way here to this other table. Yeah, so they are all cured and ready. The neem soap is already in the shop on Etsy. So this will go in the shop by Saturday or Sunday this week. It should be there, so that anybody who wants to buy it, they can buy it. I was just so happy to be able to make these soaps. I just miss soaping so much. It's crazy, but like I explained, hopefully by the end of next year I can put in my retirement and go home and go do what I love to do. So for the meantime, this is what I will have in my shop on Etsy, just this and the neem soap, unless there's a special request for me to make something for somebody. Yeah, other than that, I just have like vintages, antique stuff that I take from I buy from thrift stores and just sell it in my shop. This is just to give me something to do in the meantime. That's it. While I'm here, I can do that, so that's what I'll do. Anyway, I hope everybody is doing well, and hopefully I get to come your way very soon. So if you are interested, you can check our shop. I'll put the link below and buy some soaps from Skin Passion. Take care. Love you. Bye-bye. Bye.